Today, we're going to take a closer look at the YHE blood pressure watch. This innovative device is not just a blood pressure monitor, it's a smartwatch packed with features to help you stay on top of your health and fitness. The YHE blood pressure watch is designed to make monitoring your blood pressure convenient and accurate. It uses the traditional oscillometric BP measurement, ensuring that you get reliable and accurate results every time. The watch also functions as a fitness tracker. It tracks your steps, calories burned, and activity levels, helping you stay on top of your goals. The designers also state that it can work for up to 7 days on a single full charge. This is available now and costs $259. Next on today's episode is the Ring-Con Smart Ring. It is a wearable device that has many features designed to help you track your fitness and health goals. Here are just some of the features that the designers have been able to squeeze into this little device. The Ring-Con Smart Ring has a built-in accelerometer that tracks your daily steps, distance traveled, and calories burned. It also has a heart rate sensor that can monitor your heart rate in real time. The Smart Ring can track the duration and quality of your sleep, providing you with valuable insights into your sleeping habits. They say it is water-resistant, so you don't have to worry about taking it off when you're in the shower or swimming. The Smart Ring has a long battery life, lasting up to 7 days on a single charge. It also comes with a mobile app that provides personalized coaching based on your fitness and health goals. This ring is due for release in May 2023 and costs $249. Finally, we have the Kinian Move plus laser therapy. The designers of this product say is a non-invasive, pain-free treatment that uses low-level lasers to stimulate healing and reduce pain in joints. That has been shown to provide long-lasting relief for those suffering from joint pain and inflammation. So, how does it work? Well, the Kinian Move plus laser therapy works by using a low-level laser to penetrate the skin and stimulate the body's natural healing process. This process promotes the release of nitric oxide, which increases the circulation of blood flow, which helps cells regenerate and heal. It also stimulates the release of endorphins, which are the body's natural painkillers. The therapy is easy and convenient. You simply sit or lie down while the laser is applied to the affected area. It is a completely painless and non-invasive procedure, making it an ideal treatment for those who are looking for an alternative to traditional treatments by stimulating the body's natural healing process. This product is due to be released later this year in June. The cost for this laser therapy product is $379. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and as always, thanks for watching.